My motivation of joining the program is to find out what I don't know. And the best way to to find out more about this is to go back to school.
I work in primary and secondary education, and I can see that enterprise and entrepreneurship is just growing and growing in the tertiary sector. And I know it's going to impact on us soon. And so I kind of wanted to get ahead of that curve. And so I looked across the UK at many programs, and this one really stood out to me because it had such a breadth of offering. It really looked at every aspect of entrepreneurship.
I was motivated by first the previous cohort. I had visited the course before. I attended one residential, and then I also researched about the program and saw what it offered, and I believe that this was the perfect choice for me in order to become a better entrepreneur and build up my confidence as so.
My motivation for joining the program was that I could feel some gaps or some barriers that were holding me back from starting my own business.
What motivated me to join the program was being inclusive in a community of like-minded entrepreneurs.
I joined this program because I was looking for an international experience from a top, well-known business school.
But at the same time, it was a time in my life where I couldn't afford to study full-time. So I wanted to further educate myself while still working. I think that was the main reason.
And I think finally, the absolute clincher obviously has to be that logistically it worked for me. The mix of virtual learning environment together with the residential was absolutely spot on.